bonkers.
March to the bar, buy yourself a drink while we get drunk and so we can't think. So many problems, more than just one. Travel the world, but girls we trust none. Well, maybe one, now that's wifey. Girl to leave my side is not likely. Stand strong, let's rock the party. Build a fam like a 7-nation army.
I'm sipping, I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it.